Yo, check the mic, 1, 2. This is GK live from the rooftop. Preach a lot.
Yo, waa GK toos uga yimid dhulka adag.
qalbigaygu wuxuu ku hayaa meel blame myself for not being enough still I scroll through all our memories like I can read between the broken screens
كأنار في يديك والآن انتظر ساعات لأرى النقاط الثلاث تتحرك كنت أول من يخطر بالك كل صباح واليوم أعتبر نفسي محظوظ
magacaygu ma aha kaliya Cumarow waa halyay cusub oo jiilka cusub hoggaan u ah waa waqtigeeni
Came from the drought, pain in my chest. Still I walk with the pride of the East in my step. Bullet scars in the soul, but I'm calm like the wind. When the lions of the horn learn to battle within. Legacy written in the stars, deep in the sand. With the mic in my hand, I'm reclaiming my land. Truth teller, no filter, echo of the elders who refuse to die.
جيسي تلاقيسي ديجي وسوستا دولكان ودينتي روسي متاغا كما بكان شركا كما بكان كولاد وهانا هايكوت كيشا شبكان كابسان نولول ماغا كيغا يان لايلو بين لابتاي تها غوكستو هلغان كي انجلي تاريخ تها دوبتو وارو جي كينا كين غو دوبلان شوربان اهاي خيتا اخبا دوكو جيران روي دوب جي كول يا هاي اويغا كيسي آشا وليغا مديماني From the dust to the throne, we rise and pray. With the spirit of GK, we lead the way. From the dust to the throne, we rise and pray. With the spirit of GK, we lead the way.
This ain't just rap, this is bloodline scripture. Graffiti on the wall from a warrior's picture.
Waan ka mimid azoorta qalbiga ololaya afkayagu waa furunta
I left the trash, I made a plan, a praying mother, by God I built it up. But I was a wise man with a grudge who could have been a waste.
qalbigaygu wuxuu ku hayaa meel u dhow
My heart aches for you, my love, like the desert yearns for rain. My heart aches for you, like the desert yearns for rain.
Soomaalida xidhashada macawis iyo shaati cad oo silsilad dheeman kafee Soomaaliyeed qoorta ugu jirto.
It is an honor to stand here, a symbol of our rich heritage.
And I am thrilled to be part of this beautiful cultural exchange.
$2 oo kaliya ilaalaya carruurta
suqaan maanta waa mashquul badan
The judgment day, when all people are judged based on their actions and beliefs.
Waxaan u baahanahay inaan midowno oo aan nabad helno oo aan kala qaybsanaanta ka gudubno.
Be careful what you wish for.
Speech is a waste, a boneless corpse. Speech is a waste, a boneless corpse.